Tayo sa may isang banda to? Warka. And then our friend Abud. Hello. Thank you so much. What's up? What? Coltax T48. Did you change the plugs? This one?
Yeah.
But last time
It's the same.
it's the same. Who built this?
Q-Car Garage.
Q-Car Auto Repair Garage. Grabe man. Talaga? Bro.
Last time namin pinasok sa show dun sa Autodrome.
Oh. Nakita mo na pala siya dati. Also, you have an Accord, right? J-Series Turbo Accord. Yung only Accord in the Middle East turbo. Wide body turbo. That's nice. Where is it?
It's in the garage.
In the garage.
We will make it twin turbo this year, no? Twin turbo this year.
Yeah. Big plans.
I sent you the video. Yeah.
Everyone is mentioning me that thing.
What? Grabe. So, you know. How much power does it make?
Last time we dynoed this car around 650.
650. Wow.
The whole engine's built. The only stock thing is crankshaft. That's it.
Billet? Billet or...
No,
Nah.
stock cast block.
Ito nyo dito, yung mga pato talaga nila dito. They love it. Ayan, oh. Dang. Yung cluster niya? May roll cage pala, oh. Malamig pa. Cold start. Malamig pa. Putek. Talin interior, oh.
The motor.
Manual. Siyempre.
But
Basically para siyang 2JZ, guys. What's the displacement of this engine? 4.8?
Yeah.
Oh, okay. So bigger than the 2JZ. 2J is only 3 liter, right? Yeah. That's why there's no replacement for displacement. Damn. How long does it took to build this?
Maybe
A
a year.
year. What? Still fast.
We can build it within a night.
All the parts is available. Yeah, that's why it's easy. I'm excited to see your Accord also.
Hopefully on September.
I'll come back for that. Okay? Yeah. Twin turbo Accord, J series, V6 guys, and wide body. Also, airsus also. Naka-airsus din, naka-airsus. Yung mga wastegate niya. Hanggang mga brake booster, naka-wheelwood. Single turbo. Oh, single niya. Grabe, lala. Grabe, yung mismong pagkaka-layout ng engine, yung linis, yung wiring, yung kulay. Sleeper nga eh, actually hindi mo malalaman kasi isang clue na lang, lowered siya, naka T37, naka big brake kit, pero the rest, stock lang. Galing. Wala akong masabi dito.
What bonnet did you put here? Carbon fiber bonnet or?
No, stock.
Stock. Sleeper.
Sleeper, yeah.
Should look stock.
Yeah, should look stock. You can daily it or drive in on the street? Is it street legal?
Nowadays, there is a special certificate. If you get it, you can daily drive it.
Oh, okay.
They have like, let's say it's like a machine. I don't know what they call that one. They will check the noise of the car. If it's louder than 98%, I think.
Decibels? Yeah. Ah. Okay. Mainly for the sounds, not for the setup, right?
Yeah.
Okay. But it's not that noisy.
Yeah, this is not that
It's turbo. Ayan, second location tayo ngayon. Doon tayo sa drag naman. Ito pang show lang to ha. Kung inakala nyo, yun yung pang karera nila dito. Hindi. Pang car show lang yun, pang car show lang. Ngayon pupunta tayo ngayon sa patrol naman na pang drag. So, wala pa doon nakakita nito, wala pa doon nakakapunta nito. So, isang privilege yun na... Yes. Lalo na to sa area na to. Puro mayayaman nandito guys. As in talagang kaliwat kanan.
Talaga basta nagdadala si...
Talaga?
Si Ahmed lang ang dinadala nito. Lagi niya siya sabi sa amin.
R35? Ayun na, may GTR. Ito niyo. R35.
Sa atin yan, di magdudumi na.
Yes. Nismo pa pare. Nismo. Wow! Oh my God! Grabe!
Spaceship boy.
Yes.
Go up to the space.
Damn! Godfather. What?
20 seconds, 0 to 60.
0 to 60?
In the quarter mile.
800 meters?
Yeah.
Goes maybe...
Half mile range. Yeah, half mile. Okay.
Rider.
You're the...
This is the rider.
Ay, drone na.
Other side. One more PPFI.
Card. Hey. This one. What?
Same color.
Same color. Nice. Wow. Grabe. NA. Still 4.8 liter? Still 4.8 liter. Okay.
It's the same engine, DB48.
No stoker, no rip.
But change all the cams, piston.
Cams, piston.
All out. All out. All out.
Wow.
What is it feel?
Grabe. Laruan lang sa kanila to. Oh, E85.
Bro, ano pala? M5. M5 gas.
All fiberglass and carbon fiber. Okay.
Only the fenders, the doors, the front wheel, the wing, start again. The body, the chassis, stop.
M5. Alpha?
Bumper home seat wider more.
Ready?
Yeah. I'm ready. I'm ready.
أنا بعدين بتقول بياهم بعد.
Woo! Damn. How much power?
Guess.
2,000.
2,000.
Yeah.
100 less. No.
Only one.
Your front seat.
1.4.
Yes, 1.
1,000 power.
You will see Kobe Bryant when you drive this.
Yeah.
We built this engine all in Sub-Zero.
Sub-Zero.
Sub-Zero, yeah.
Okay. We met them at the show. We saw their booth. Yeah.
No, last time I didn't go.
Oh, okay.
But before I go.
1,400. 1,400. Damn.
بدوس؟
ايه مدة؟ تركيا؟ يا ما يستوي. ما يتقال. أقوى. أقول لك اليوم
1,400. 1,000 HP. Nice. Grabe. This is a daily, right? What? Grabe. Is it all-wheel drive or rear-wheel drive? All-wheel? All-wheel drive. Or there's a button. All-wheel drive, 1,000 HP. Nissan Patrol, guys. There you go, Let's go! Nakamotik.
belts. جايك. افتح الباب.
Seatbelt tayo.
1,000.
1,000 all-wheel drive. Manual. Nissan Patrol. Only in UAE. Thank you.
I love Dubai.
Yes. What's your shop's name? It's called?
The Godfather. We like to work in home.
Ah, okay. All DIY.
Yeah, everything we made it in home.
That's nice.
Who said money can't buy happiness? Come to Dubai,
Come to Dubai, Habibi.
Love it, man. Love it.
We love it. Thank you for this experience.
Love it,
Oh my
man.
God.
We have to show you everything we have.
Yes. Thank you. A lot of people will like it.
Yeah,
I'm sure. Yes. The clutch is hard, huh?
Yeah, shouting sometimes.
In kill mode, this will be a different level.
You know, guys, this car, you have to, when you drive this car, you have fly mode.
Yes.
You start the fly mode,
Yeah.
you go out with this car. Wallah.
This is like a freedom, you know.
Yeah.
When you're driving, you're
Everything
free.
slows down.
Yes.
Not every time you are race.
Yes.
Correct.
If there is good car, you can race.
Yeah.
There is no car.
Yeah. No need.
You have to respect this, so it will take care of you.
Yeah.
Yes. What's the top speed that you ever?
I drive it
Yes.
Yeah.
with bike or with car.
Oh, that depends. The car.
Before
This
I was
car.
drive bike.
Okay.
With this car, 280, 290.
Oof.
This is the
280 to
last.
90.
Yeah, with black GTR,
Ah.
I drive 320 like this speed.
Woo.
315, 10.
Yeah,
20, around this.
In
I see this road, it's like come on. Everyone in UAE is scared from petrol.
Yes, I.
you wouldn't know if it has like a power like this or not.
Yeah.
When you will listen to the sound, you will know everything.
Yeah.
You know.
Last time in the Emirates Custom, no, same patrol,
Yeah.
same sound.
Yeah.
I remember. Right.
Sub-Zero.
Sub-Zero is the best one.
Yeah.
يعني
Very famous.
we work in everything, mashallah.
Even GTRs, truck or drag.
Anything you need. Sub-Zero
Anything you
have.
imagine.
Also for GTR, for my black GTR, there is Alpha Logic, there is F Performance also, there is Sub-Zero. يعني this three garage, this is perfect for me.
Yeah. So how do you learn to build a car?
From my father.
Yeah.
From my father. After my big brother Faris.
Yes.
After Ammar. خلاص, and
So
now we are.
it's like running in the family.
Yeah, in the family.
Yeah.
From big one until small.
And you have a nice place, so no one is.
No one is
Yeah,
here.
yeah.
Here is perfect for me.
Yeah,
wallah.
yeah.
We can make everything.
Everything here.
Yeah.
You can do whatever you want
Nice.
here.
It's crazy.
There's places like here. May mga gandang lugar talaga dito sa Dubai na hindi natin nakikita. Ito, pag pumunta ka dito sa Dubai, mga tourist na yan,
Yeah.
hindi mo
Yeah.
madadaanan to,
Hindi,
hindi mo
hindi.
malalaman
Yes.
to unless
May source.
yes,
Source. Yes.
Thank you Nasir.
See you.
Godfather, let's go. Godfather. Thank you.